to fix stumble guys lag on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix stumble guys lag on Android phone. First, click this icon here in the top corner and now scroll down until you find resolution, this one. Make it like that, and then shadows, make it off, and that's it. Now go back and try again and lag will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go back and go to settings and go to battery and enable performance mode, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. And don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.